got a rational inequality where we're looking to see when these y values are greater than or equal to 0. I've started by factoring and finding zeros at 4 and negative 3 that I've plotted. I also have a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 1. But I'm not going to take the time to graph this because it can be tricky with the slanted asymptote, etc., because our end behavior is x over 1. So instead, I'm going to come up with zones, a zone here, a zone in green, a zone between these zeros, and a zone from 4 to infinity. And now I'm going to select values that are in the middle. So the first thing I might test would be negative 4 because it's left of negative 3. So my first test value was negative 4. When I plug a negative 4 in for every x, I get these numbers, negative 8, negative 1, and negative 5. Well, I've got 3 negatives. Negative times a negative will be a positive, divided by another negative will be a negative. And a negative number is not greater than or equal to 0, so this is a false statement. When you plug more numbers in, this turns out to be true, false, and true. Take a minute to try it yourself with numbers like, I would pick a negative 2, I would pick a 0, and I would pick a 5. You will find the answers were negative 3 to 1, and 4 to infinity, or 2 and 3.